I came across a brand new and low competitive niche. With this niche, anyone can do it no matter where you are from. Which skills you have, anyone can start this niche. It's your lucky day because you can start this niche before the competition increases. If you don't believe me, let me show you some proof this channel only has 16 videos and it has racked up 17 million views. That's crazy, right? Means 17 million views with just 16 videos is mind-blowing. They have also managed to gain 617,000 subscribers in a short period of time. It's literally 500,000 subscribers with just 16 videos. I found out the secret behind their success. So today you're going to learn everything about this secret niche. You will be a successful YouTuber within the next month if you follow my steps until the end. If you're still watching this videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and it helps the channel grow. Okay, so before moving forward, let me show an example video about this niche.
So you want to make a quantum computer. Great. Super similar to making a normal computer, except entirely different. Computers work with bits, signals of ones and zeros. These ones and zeros are signaled through switches that allow electrons to pass through.
This niche is basically about explaining things in a humorous way to make it easy for people to understand. These videos usually are not that long. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to create. So are you guys ready to start the process? Let's begin. Let's start with finding video ideas you can use ChatGPT for this process. You need set monthly targets on how many videos you wish to upload every single month if you would like to 15 videos. Then you search for 15 topics, ideas. I have explained our niche in this prompt and asked it to generate video topics. As you can see here, we have some amazing video ideas just like this. You can generate any number of video topics for this niche. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate a script for one of these topics. All you need to do is copy this prompt and replace this topic with your topic, and ChatGPT will generate you an amazing script in the same style as the channels I showed earlier. This is super easy. You don't have to be stressed about this. As you can see, here we have an amazing script. I specifically asked it to make a script with 4,000 characters, which would be around 3 minutes in duration. It also gave me parts of the scripts like Section 1, the basics, Section 2, how it actually works. This is amazing. Now let's make voiceovers for this video. For this process, I'm going to use AI tool called 11 Labs. This is one of the best AI tools for voiceovers out there. First, you need to sign up. Click here to get started for free. You have up to 10,000 free characters every single month. Next, head over to Voices. They have a variety of real human-like voices once you are satisfied with your choices. Head over to Text to Speech and paste your narration. Now let's move on to the next step, which is creating visuals for this video. I'm going to mix some stick figure animations with some AI images. For this video, you can use Leonardo AI to generate some AI images. First, you need to read the script carefully and select the scenes that you're going to use images and stick figure animations. Once you decide to do so, you can go to Leonardo AI and generate images. You can also transform your images to motion with the new motion feature. But I like to use another tool called Halo. Halo is a tool that transforms your images to realistic video. Once you sign up, head over to Create Video, upload your images from Leonardo AI. You can describe in detail how you want your video to turn out, then hit Generate. Once you have all your visuals and voiceovers ready, let's head to Canva to create the stick figure animations. Once you go to your Canva account, create a new project and select this video template first. You need to go to Uploads and upload the voiceover and AI video files. To this, you can add the voiceover files to the timeline and adjust the timeline by increasing this to match the duration of the voice file. Then go to Elements and search for the black background layer. I'm going to use this black layer as the background of our video. Make sure to adjust its size to match the whole surface. Now go to Elements and search for stick figure. Now I'm going to select this stick figure. If you click these 3 dots and go to the creator's profile, you can find similar style stick figures from the same creator. All you need to do is search the figure you want and add it. Now you can add the suitable stick figures to the timeline. Since our background is black, you must change the color of these stick figures to white, and you need to adjust the time when these stick appear using this purple bar in the timeline just like this. After everything is completed, click the share button and you can download this video as an MP4 file. Now I'm going to use CapCut to add some captions and background music for this. Once you import this video to CapCut, go to this text and click this auto captions feature. You can generate captions for this video automatically. You can also add text effects like these to the suitable places. So play with these and edit these captions. After that, you need to add a cool background music to this video, and that's all, your video's ready.
You ever stop and think, really think, about how your phone magically knows where you are? Like, hey, turn left in 100 meters. And you're like, thanks, glowing rectangle. Well, guess what? Your phone is tracking you constantly. And no, Karen, it's not the government, it's satellites. Yeah.
So now you know how to make videos for this brand new and low competitive niche. I wish you the best of luck, guys, and see you in the next one.